Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video in this series. In this video, we see how we install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. For this, I simply go to the VirtualBox website and download the VirtualBox as your system requirement. I have the Windows system. For this, I download the Windows host. After the download the Windows VirtualBox, I go to the Kali Linux website, that is kali.org, and I download the Kali Linux file. This is 64-bit file, and if you want to download the 32-bit, you can also download it. Now we see how we install the Kali Linux in VMware. For this, I simply open my VMware or VirtualBox and click the new icon. After clicking it, I give a name, that is this is Kali Linux, and the type is Linux, and the Linux version is Debian 64 for the 64-bit operating system. Kali is Debian based. Okay. After this, I click to next, and here I give the RAM value is 3 GB. Okay, and next, and I click here the create a virtual disk now and create it, and after this I choose the hard disk file type is VDI VirtualBox disk image, and next and save it. And the physical hard disk is dynamically allocated, and next. After that I give a hard disk, that is I give it to 50 GB. You can give as your wish, at least minimum give 20 GB. Okay, and create it up. Now you can see here our Kali Linux is shown. After that I go to the Kali Linux settings. Okay, now it's open. Click to the general here. After that click the advanced part. Share clipboard is bidirectional, and drag and drop is bidirectional. After that go to the system, here your RAM and other size. Okay, after that go to select to storage and click here this empty part and choose your virtual disk format. For this I simply open it and go to our sorry documents part, and choose my Kali Linux disk image. You can see it, this is our Kali Linux disk image, and simply open it. After that display is here. Okay, okay, now click the network, choose the network is bridge adapter. Okay, if you have Wi-Fi, then choose your Wi-Fi adapter, and okay. After it, click to the start icon, and it takes some time to load, and it's loading. After loading this, okay, just go click the graphical install. Zoom it little bit. Okay, now choose your language, which is English, and I choose my location is United States, and keyboard is American English. It's loading the components, it takes some time. Okay, it's loading complete. After the loading complete, is detect the network hardware. Okay, now it's configure the network part. Okay, now you choose a host name. I choose the default host name and give it to Kali. If you have domain name, you can give it. I don't have, so I blank it. After that, click to continue and wait for a second and give a password. I choose the default password, which is tour. I type TOOR. I can show you. Sorry, a mistake. TOOR and show this. Okay, and I retry the password and continue it. After continue, it configure the clock. Okay, now we choose the clock is default distant and continue it. After that, it detect disks. It's partition the disk and setting up. You can simply choose the entire disk as a default and click to all file in one partition option and simply finish partition and write to change to disk. Click continue. Do you want to change to disk? Yes, I want to change it. Continue and wait for some time. It's now install the system. It may take time to depend on your system or your RAM. So let's wait for some time to install it. Okay, it's almost loading. It's take some time more. After that, you can see that the Kali Linux will be installed. We have to wait some time. Okay, now install is complete. After the installation, we have to click to the network mirror part. Use the network mirror. You will simply click to no and continue. After continue, you simply configure the package manager and we wait for it. Okay, now it's installing the grub bootloader and it takes also some time. Okay, install the grub bootloader to the master boot record. Yes, and continue. After that, you have to choose the entire disk manually or the second option you choose here and continue. Okay, it loading the grub bootloader and now it finished the installation. Okay, the installation is finished. Simply click to continue and finish the installation and review the live pack. Okay, now installation is complete and now it's loading our Kali Linux in our virtual box. I simply zoom it little bit. Okay, now you have to put your username and our username is Kali. I simply type Kali and enter. After that I type my password, which is tour, opposite of root. Okay, sorry, our username is root and our password is tour and enter it. Okay, our Kali Linux is loading and it's already loaded. Now you can see here the application icon drop down box. Simply click here and you can see there are many tools here like information gathering. There are many tools, vulnerability assessment, web application analyze, like many like forensics, etc. We see it later. This is the simple installation of the Kali Linux. Try to load the Kali Linux in this way. It takes time, some time. It's time consuming. It takes almost half an hour to install my system. Hope you try this. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.